This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You sign into YouTube Studio and go straight to the audio library. That gets you the tracks you can legally use. First, filter by duration, mood, or license to narrow choices quickly. Once you find candidate tracks, preview them at full length to confirm pacing. Make sure to check the label that says Attribution Required or YouTube Free so you know obligations. Then download the MP3 or WAV file to a dedicated project folder so it's ready for the editor. You import the downloaded track into your editor and immediately align it with speech or action points. Once done, trim or loop sections so music supports the narrative without clashing with voice. Use fade-ins and fade-outs to avoid abrupt cuts. Make sure to duck music under dialogue, typically reducing gain to between 0, 5 and 0, 8 of original level. Also confirm export settings. Keep sample rate at 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and mix so the master peaks below -6 decibels. You upload the finished video and paste the exact attribution text into the description when required. This satisfies license terms and prevents simple claims. Once uploaded, monitor for Content ID claims. If one appears, compare the claim against the audio library entry and dispute with evidence if the track is listed as free. If problems persist, use your saved copies. The downloaded file and a screenshot of the audio library entry make a quick resolution. One tip: keep local backups to prove your license immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.